Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you use Quillbot to modify your text. Without further ado, let's get right onto it. So what this does is it actually serve as a automatic paraphraser and summarizer as an AI for you. So it is also available on different languages right here. And you have also different modes to choose from. And the best part of this is they have a free version. So you can also upgrade to premium, but you have to pay. Doing the this with the free one is basically fine. So you just have to go on over here. So this is the paraphraser right here. So all you have to do is input a text like that, and just go over to paraphrase. As you can see, it successfully paraphrased it. You can also have the option to export it and view statistics. And best part with this is they also have a grammar checker summarizer here. They have a couple of tools here that you can use, translator as well. So for here you can go on over and input a language and it will detect it. As you can see, translate and there. So okay guys, those are the ways on how you can modify your text on Quillbot. Thank you for watching and goodbye.